Hi, my name is Andy Driggs, and today I'd like to talk with you about the business plan which is required for every E2 visa application. The business plan is done in two parts. First, there is a narrative that describes with specificity the business, the premises, the management, the market, the marketing and advertising strategy, and the plan for growth and employees. If you are purchasing an existing business, you can include that business's history, market share, and personnel totals. Either way, you can provide photos of the premises, the equipment, and the signage. This is a very important part of the visa application, as it will give the consular officer a good picture of what your business is all about. The second part of the business is the 5-year financial projections for the company. The pro forma needs to cover 5 years and show both the need for employees and profitability within the 5-year period. It is a good idea to have a professional business plan writer do your business plan. There are several companies that we can recommend to accomplish this. They all have experience with different consulates, and so they know the best ways to describe your business to the consulate. It may even be a red flag to the consulate if you have a do-it-yourself business plan. They might think that this is a weak application. If you're hoping to move from an E2 visa to an EB5 immigrant investor visa, then we may want to, in some respects, treat the E2 application like it was an application for the EB5. This is particularly important with the business plan. There are certain requirements for the EB5 business plan that do not apply to the E2 visa. These requirements are set out in a decision called In Re Ho. So if you think that you might want to move from an E2 to an EB5, then we should do the business plan according to the requirements of that decision. That will focus your plan and contribute to the success of your enterprise. And when you apply for the green card, you will have already done the right kind of business plan. If you want to invest in the United States and you think the E2 visa may be right for you, give me a call. We'll talk about your plans and see if this is the best strategy for you and your family.